Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be something a little different. I am going to be doing a mini organize with me / declutter. So this corner of my office here is where I get ready. So behind me I have both my everyday makeup and my makeup collection. I try to keep things minimal here. Especially now with being home, things have been really put into perspective and I'm just weeding through stuff and really narrowing down. I'll talk you through some of my thought process. We're also going to clean the countertops and just have a general tidy. And I need to just throw out some old expired products that I'm not currently using or enjoying at the moment. So without further ado, let's get going. First things first, stay hydrated, my friends. First things first, these drawers you're probably gonna ask, these are all by Muji. And this piece here is a tray. I believe I got this at TJ Maxx or Marshall's forever ago. And it's just clear acrylic. These are the Muji 5 drawers. And then up here I have a Muji 2 drawer with a open up lid like that. I want to sort through what I like to call my everyday makeup drawer, which is actually not a drawer at all. It is just a tray. Let's go through some of these products really quick. So first things first is the Coola. Use this today. I've almost used this up, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this. We have the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. Got to keep that. Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. Definitely going to keep that. You know what? I'm going to grab a cloth so I can wipe these products down. I swear microfiber towels are like the #1 thing I use every day. This is not something I use. I need to declutter this or give it to somebody. This is the True Blend Minerals by Covergirl. Here's the thing. It's a loose translucent setting powder that kind of has like a banana-y yellow tone to it. It's fine, but I don't know. I feel like I'm not sure if I love the finish of it. Like it looks okay from afar, but if you look up close, this powder has a ton of glitter in it and I'm not really down with that. So this is a maybe. Oh, and we got another one. Yeah, this is the one in the translucent shade. So, I don't know. Another maybe. 2 face mists. I use these almost every single day, one or the other. Definitely this. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Love it. Urban Decay All Nighter. I use this every time I wear makeup. This is a packet sample. I don't know where I got this, but this is the Unsun Mineral Tinted Face Sunscreen. But this one's in the medium dark shade. I don't know. I'm pretty fair, so we will see. This is the It Cosmetics CC Oil Free. Definitely going to keep this. This is in my project pan. Too Faced Born This Way Powder, Ethereal Setting Powder. And this is in the shade Translucent. Definitely going to keep this. It doesn't fit in my drawer, so I have to keep this out. Covergirl Clean Fresh Skin Milk in the shade Fair. I've been using this a lot lately. Great for days where I want a little light coverage. I have the Saint Tropez Instant Healthy Glow Everyday Tinted Moisturizer and Primer. This is in my project pan. I will link that series up above if you haven't yet seen it. Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Rose Gold Eye Mask. Definitely going to keep these. I really have been enjoying using these lately. 2 glosses by Shades by Shan. We have the shade Champagne over here and the shade Vicky over here. Love these lip glosses. You can see clearly I've used quite a bit of them. So going to be keeping these. I'm just not sure if I want to put them in my bag because I'm not really going anywhere. 2 more lip products. This is the Buxom Lip Gloss in the shade Selena and the Juice Beauty Lip Crayon. What is this called? Luminous Lip Crayon in the shade Healdsburg. So gotta love that. Definitely gonna keep both of those. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Threesome in Rise. It is a blush bronzer highlight palette and I haven't really used it at all. Winky Luxe Coffee Kitten eyeshadow palette. Love this a lot. Mentioned it in a lot of videos and have worn it a ton. So definitely going to keep that. Love it. It's a gorgeous neutral eyeshadow palette. If you just want like an eyeshadow starter kit, this is a perfect palette. And the best part is that it smells like coffee. A Lima Pure Eye Primer. Love this and I want to keep it out for the days I do wear eyeshadow. This is the Wander Beauty Lip Setter Dual Lipstick and Lip Liner. So we have a nude, like a terracotta kind of nude color on one side, that's a liner, and the other side is a lip color. So I haven't had a chance to really test this out yet, so I'm gonna, of course, keep it. This is the Wander Beauty Duelist Concealer, and same thing with this one. It's a dual-ended concealer stick on one side, and then a liquid-based concealer / brightener on the other side. So haven't had a chance to really test this, so I'm definitely gonna keep it. Covergirl True Blend Concealer. I really love this and definitely going to keep it. The St. Jane Lip Gloss. This is in the shade Bliss. And here's the thing, this gloss is very sticky, but I'm still testing it out. I can tell you off the bat, it's not a favorite. I definitely prefer my Shades by Shan formula, which is a lot more slick and moisturizing. This one's a little sticky. So still testing this out, definitely gonna keep it for now. And then I have the Winky Luxe Watermelon Balm. It's so fun. It's kind of similar to the watermelon lippy I'm wearing today from Glow Recipe, except for that one is exfoliating and like almost plumping a little bit. It's a little more glossy. This one's more of a tinted lip stain, so definitely gonna keep that. Voila, that already looks a lot better. So right now this is pretty much empty, so I'm gonna go ahead and declutter that. And then these two I am not going to put back. I think I'm just gonna let these two go. Entirely sure I recorded that portion, but I wiped everything down with my Mrs. Meyer's. Then I did my little vanity mirror with some Windex. All right, friends, the moment of truth. I'm going to show you what I am decluttering, and I am decluttering all of this. This is just not serving me right now. These products are past their prime / I never really found my rhythm with / beyond expired. The two eyeshadow palettes, Winky Luxe Neutrogena. This, which is pretty much empty. The lash glue that's beyond expired. The brow gel that just didn't quite do it for me. Two lip liners I just don't have a use for at the moment. And two powders that are just subpar and don't really stand up to my high-end favorites. I'm going to link all of my makeup storage and similar options in the description box below. All of this sits on top of an Expedit unit from IKEA, which I have topped with marble contact paper, which is so easy to wipe clean. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. Something different for me, kind of a mix between a shop my stash, a declutter, and a clean with me. If you'd like to see more videos of this kind, definitely let me know. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon in the next one.